Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today let me show you how to fix an update failed message on DigitalOcean hosted servers, on droplets from DigitalOcean and also from other VPS providers. This will be a valid method that might help you. So I am having here a website hosted on DigitalOcean, and if I click update now here, an error message is displayed and the plugin is not updated because I don't have permissions to write on WordPress. And I will show you how to fix this. So this issue might appear right after you are installing or moving your site to DigitalOcean. So let us jump straight into this. And first of all, we need to access the console of the droplet by clicking Access Console. And here we will have to write this command. So let me re-enter it for you. chown r www.data, and this is the location where WordPress is installed, var www.html. This command works only on Ubuntu servers, so if you have other type of Linux server or non-Linux server, this might not work for you. So if you have a Ubuntu server, then this method will work for you. All we have to do is hit an enter here, and now we can go ahead and refresh our WordPress site. And after we click update now, updating will work once again on our server. So yeah, this is how you are fixing this issue on DigitalOcean VPS and also on other VPS servers which run Ubuntu. So you will find this command listed in this video's description, so go ahead and check it. Yeah, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.